Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. I am recovering from a cold, so I missed yesterday's Vlogmas, day 9. So, oh, sorry, it was day 10. But I wanted to pop in to say hello and to show you guys how to make a hot toddy. I know that there are quite a few people who believe that hot toddies are best way to help your body overcome a cold. And I am actually going to make one because it's getting to early evening and I really want something warm because it's a little chilly here in Las Vegas. So let's go make a hot toddy. It's going to be a short, sweet video, and I hope you guys will stick around to watch how I make it. And if you happen to be in a cold area, maybe you can make a hot toddy too this evening. Even if you're not sick, it's a nice warm I guess festive drink during the winter season. So let's go do that. Alright, we are in the kitchen and I'm going to sit you down on my trusty little made-up tripod and we're going to go through the step-by-step of how to make a hot toddy. Now I am also, I don't know if you can see this here, I'm recording it because I think I might make a short out of this, but I ordered this new little thing to help me record, better on YouTube on my channel. But yeah, so let's make the hot toddy. And first thing here, let me bring you back over here so that we can go over this. So first thing I do is I get everything set up. So you'll need 1.5 ounces of whiskey, and this whiskey is probably one of my most favorite that I like to use Wild Turkey. I need to get another bottle. You'll need 2 to 3 teaspoons of lemon juice, 2 to 3 teaspoons of honey, and I'm actually going to add clove to this. Now, most recent recipes for hot toddies do not ask for clove, but I actually went back and looked at the history of this recipe, and clove was added to this drink quite often. So and I found it fascinating. I think this drink is dated back to 1800s or something like that. So that's pretty cool that it still is a drink that most people think of during the colder seasons, and especially when you're not feeling well. Oh, and then you'll also need, I think it's 1.5 or 3/4 cup of hot water. I'm going to add hot water from our machine. I don't have a kettle, but you know, so I'll just add the water, and I'll probably make it a little bit, put it in like 1 cup of water, but let's do this. So I'm going to go add the 3/4 cup of water. One and a half ounce of whiskey. Second ounce, and you'll need 2 to 3 teaspoons of lemon juice. I'm going to do 3 teaspoons. 2 to 3 teaspoons of honey. And I don't like sweet drinks, so I'm just going to do 1 teaspoon. And I'm going to add the 2 cloves. Then you'll just stir it up. And enjoy. Strong. All right, guys, that's all That's such a simple recipe. That's it. I'm going to sit and sip on this. Hopefully it'll help with me feeling a little bit better. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a great night.